Want to build a YouTube channel that runs like a machine without showing your face or recording a single video yourself? That's what YouTube automation is all about. And with AI tools, it's faster, cheaper, and more scalable than ever. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Don't start with what you like. Start with what gets views. Think about niches like finance, tech, health, motivation, or celebrity news. Use tools like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, or just study trending videos in your niche to validate demand. Step 2. Create a content strategy. You're building a system, not a hobby channel. Map out 20-30 video ideas up front. Research titles that already perform well and reverse engineer them. Focus on evergreen topics that rank over time, not just trends. Step 3. Use AI to script your videos. Tools like ChatGPT can write your video scripts fast. Just feed it a title and tell it the tone you want, e.g., informative, entertaining, urgent. Edit manually to keep it engaging and audience-focused. Boring scripts are equal to low watch time, which is equal to no growth. Step 4. Generate voiceovers with AI. Use tools like 11 Labs or Murph to create realistic voiceovers. Choose a voice that fits your niche: professional for finance, energetic for gaming, calm for self-help. Always preview and tweak to avoid robotic-sounding narration. Step 5. Create videos with AI. Syllabi lets you plug in your script and auto-generate stock video content. Add B-roll, text overlays, transitions, and background audio to make it feel like a real YouTube video. I'll add the link to it in the description. Step 6. Design thumbnails that pop. Use Canva or Photoshop with bold fonts, emotional faces, and curiosity-driven visuals. Your thumbnail and title are everything. Split test variations with TubeBuddy's A/B feature if you're serious about growth. Step 7. Upload consistently and track results. Post 2 to 3 times per week. Use YouTube Studio to analyze click-through rate, average view duration, and retention. Tweak content based on what works. This isn't set it and forget it, it's test and optimize.